Hey everyone, this is just a quick bonus feature type video that goes with the beach chair video. That video was running really long and I had caught a lot of stuff, and the one thing that I kind of regretted cutting was there was this story I told where I'd had these chairs and I'd encountered somebody, and it just sort of morphed into some thoughts about how so many people just don't understand the amount of work that goes into custom woodworking and the requisite value that you need there. Anyways, I thought it was a worthwhile story, and I just thought I'd throw that up as a bonus video this week. So the seats are kind of tedious. You know, there's 2 screws times 5 slats, so that's 10, that's 20 screws. You know, they all have to be drilled, and you want to get them in the exact right spot so they nicely line up, because these are all very visible. So yeah, 20 holes that you need to drill, get the countersink right. I set up a jig on the drill press, or draw lines so that you get everything carefully marked and measured. It's just time consuming, and it leads to a funny joke. This leads to a funny story about custom woodworking, about how so many people just do not understand custom woodworking. So a number of years ago, I had these chairs out, and a nice older, like this guy was approaching 80, a nice older gentleman. He was admiring them. He was interested in them, and he thought they were really a neat design. He was looking at them, and he just sort of leaned closely, and he's like, you could try selling these. I bet you could get like $15 in the store. And I had to bite my tongue and just not laugh at the guy. It was just, he's from a different generation, regardless of what costs are. But yeah, somebody just, this is the sort of thing, I can't imagine marketing it as a product, because you can go out to the local big box store and you can buy a sling chair for like $6 or $15, imported from overseas. And most people are totally fine with that. But I mean, for the amount of hours that you put into this, I mean, I love it and I'm happy to do it, but it's a hobby or it's a gift for somebody. It's not, I can't see how you could sell these for like less than $75. I mean, I don't even know. I purposely, because it's a hobby, I never track my hours. I get people asking me all the time, how many hours did you take? I don't know. I'm not doing this full time. I'm doing this, here a half hour, there a couple hours, here an evening, here a Saturday. And I don't really want to track it in a spreadsheet or anything, but still, longer than you think. You sort of do it because you love it. I mean, here I'm sounding negative about custom woodworking. I mean, you can do it. You can find a market. I'm not sure that you can find a market with these. And that was my story, and that's probably way too long-winded. I'll probably just cut it right out. And wow, I'm not in frame at all here. Wrong lens.